protein smoothies have become a must-have.
For fitness enthusiasts looking to pack in nutrients while supporting muscle growth and recovery. With countless combinations of ingredients and protein sources, finding the ultimate recipe can be a fun and tasty challenge. In this smoothie showdown, we'll break down 4 contenders, each vying for the title of the best protein-packed smoothie. Let's see which one comes out on top. Contender 1. The Classic Chocolate Powerhouse. The Classic Chocolate Powerhouse is a go-to smoothie for chocolate lovers who want to fuel their muscles. This recipe combines 1 scoop of chocolate whey protein powder with a banana, almond butter, almond milk, and chia seeds. The protein is renowned for its ability to help with muscle repair, while the banana provides a healthy dose of potassium, important for muscle function. Almond butter adds richness and healthy fats, and chia seeds give a fiber and omega-3 boost. The taste is smooth and creamy, with the banana and almond butter blending perfectly with the chocolate. This smoothie feels more like a treat, making it a favorite for those who crave something sweet after a workout. Nutritionally, it's packed with about 25 grams of protein, 35 grams of carbohydrates, and 12 grams of fat, making it an ideal post-exercise recovery option. Contender 2. Tropical Muscle Fuel. For those who love tropical flavors, the Tropical Muscle Fuel smoothie is a refreshing option, packs a nutritional punch. This recipe uses a scoop of vanilla protein powder, frozen pineapple, frozen mango, Greek yogurt, flax seeds, and coconut water. Pineapple and mango are loaded with vitamins and antioxidants, which help replenish energy after intense workouts. Greek yogurt not only adds creaminess, but also boosts the protein content, while flax seeds bring healthy fats and fiber to the table. Coconut water provides hydration with electrolytes, essential for maintaining energy levels. This smoothie is light and refreshing, perfect for a morning kickstart or post-exercise hydration. The tropical fruits deliver a natural sweetness, while the Greek yogurt balances the flavors. With around 23 grams of protein, 45 grams of carbohydrates, and just 6 grams of fat, it's a lower-calorie option that still supports muscle recovery. Contender 3. The Green Machine. If you're looking to pack your smoothie with greens, the Green Machine is your go-to option. This vibrant smoothie includes plant-based protein powder, spinach, avocado, green apple, hemp seeds, and almond milk. Spinach is a powerhouse of vitamins A and C, while avocado offers healthy fats and fiber to keep you full longer. The green apple adds a tart, crisp sweetness that balances the greens, and hemp seeds provide additional plant-based protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Taste-wise, the Green Machine is surprisingly balanced. The apple and avocado create a smooth, slightly sweet texture that makes the greens more palatable. This smoothie is a great option for those who want a nutrient-dense start to their day, with about 22 grams of protein, 40 grams of carbohydrates, and 15 grams of fat, providing a balance of energy and nutrients. Contender 4. Peanut Butter Banana Blast. For peanut butter fans, the Peanut Butter Banana Blast is a must-try. This recipe features peanut butter protein powder, banana, peanut butter, oats, and oat milk. Peanut butter is packed with healthy fats and adds a rich, nutty flavor, while oats provide slow-digesting carbs for sustained energy. Bananas contribute potassium and natural sweetness, making this smoothie perfect for post-workout recovery or even as a meal replacement. Thick and creamy, the smoothie feels indulgent without being overly heavy. It has approximately 28 grams of protein, 42 grams of carbohydrates, and 14 grams of fat, making it a filling option for anyone looking to satisfy their hunger after an intense workout or during a busy day. The final verdict. Each smoothie in this showdown offers unique benefits, depending on your taste and nutritional needs. The Classic Chocolate Powerhouse is perfect for those who love a rich, dessert-like drink, while the Tropical Muscle Fuel provides a refreshing and hydrating post-workout option. The Green Machine is ideal for health-conscious individuals looking to sneak more greens into their diet, and the Peanut Butter Banana Blast is perfect for anyone who craves a thick, nutty shake packed with protein and healthy fats. In the end, the best protein smoothie depends on your personal preferences and fitness goals. Whichever one you choose, you're guaranteed a delicious and nutritious boost to power your workouts and fuel muscle growth. Make sure you subscribe, like, and follow for more fun protein tips from Protein Me Crazy